tradition, quality, and pride. For over 30 years, Rui has been perfecting the art of roasting piglets in traditional wood-burning stoves. This tradition has been passed down from one generation to the next, and now Rui would like to share it with you and your family. The only moments that matter are the times we spend together. Celebrate these special times with Rui traditional roasted piglets. And give your family the quality and attention they deserve.